जय हिंद साथियों, नमस्कार। मैं हूं ओम सर। मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल ओजेडी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन पर। आज का टॉपिक है ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज। ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज के अति महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न 50 क्वेश्चंस को लेकर आया हूं। ओ लेवल 5th रिवाइज्ड सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग ये क्वेश्चंस हैं। पूरी टीम का एक ही लक्ष्य है कि हर एक बच्चा ओ लेवल में पास हो सके। आप ओजेडी के गोमती नगर संस्थान में भी ऑफलाइन व यूट्यूब के माध्यम से ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। यह संस्थान 2011 से स्टूडेंट का करियर बनाने में मदद कर रहा है। यहाँ ओजेडी प्लेसमेंट सेल के माध्यम से हजारों स्टूडेंट आज इंडिया की टॉप कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं।
ओजेडी एजुकेशन आप सभी का स्वागत करता है नाइलेट ओ लेवल के आईओटी के सेट सुपर 50 क्वेश्चन सीरीज में, जिसमें हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1012 क्वेश्चन नंबर 150 तक। सो लेट्स बिगिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, प्रोसेसर 8085 वर डिजाइंड बाय ऑप्शन नंबर ए इंटेल, ऑप्शन बी गूगल, ऑप्शन सी अमेजन, ऑप्शन डी IBM, एंड द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर ए इंटेल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the MQTT is dash oriented. Option A text, option B message, option C image, option D video, and our right answer will be option B message. Next question, variable voltage sensor is an dash. Option A proximity sensor, option B digital sensor, option C analog sensor, option D pyro sensor, and the right answer will be option number C analog sensor. Next question, question number 104, dash is a device to measure gas or liquid. Option number A gas sensor, option B smoke sensor, option C radio sensor, option D pressure sensor, and the right answer will be option number D pressure sensor. Question number 105 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Arduino uses dash. Option A omega microcontroller, option B 80 mega microcontroller, option C microcontroller, option D mega microcontroller, and the right answer will be option number B 80 mega microcontroller. Next question, question number 106, DS18B20 is dash type of sensor. Option A temperature sensor, option B water sensor, option C air quality sensor, option D proximity sensor, and the right option will be option A temperature sensor. Next question, which is not attribute of TCP IP model? Option A connection oriented protocol, option B unreliable, option C flexible architecture, option D implement flow control, and the right answer will be unreliable. Option B is right answer. Next question, question number 108, which layer of OSI model does data compression? Option A network, option B data link, option C physical, option D presentation, and the right answer will be option C physical. Next question, which protocol is responsible for M2M communication in restricted environment? Option A CoAP, option B XMPP, option C AMQP, option D MQTT, and the right answer will be option D MQTT. Next question, question number 110, the output signal is feedback so that it's subtract from input signal. Option number A negative feedback, option B feedback, option C both A and B, option D none of the above, and the right answer will be option number C both A and B. Next question, question number 111, the wireless battery free sensor designed to record environmental and material temperature is dash. Option A RFM 3200, option number B ESP 8266, option C DST11, option D LM35, and the right answer will be option number A RFM 3200. Question number 112, the IoT temperature monitoring is related to option number A analog to digital convert, option B real time system, option C safe time, option D all of the correct, and the right answer will be option number D all of the correct. Question number 113 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which is the best for internet connected thermostat? Option A Eversense, option B GE connected appliances, option C Next, option D Honeywell, and the right answer will be option number C Nest. Next question, in which message format is the statute line present? Option A request message, option B both types, option C no one correct, option D response message, and the right answer will be response message. Next question, question number 115, which of the following protocol does not add the data link layer? Option A ZigBee, option B LoRaWAN, option C secure MQTT, option D wireless HART, and our right answer will be option B LoRaWAN. Next question. Question number 116. What is mandatory for an IP packet to contain? Option A, source and destination IP. Option B, only source IP. Option C, destination IP. Option D, none of the above. And the right answer will be option A, source and destination IP. Next question. Which of the following layer is called a port layer in OSI model? Option A, application. Option B, session. Option C, transport. Option D, presentation layer. And the right answer will be option B, session layer. Next question. Which transport layer protocol is used by DSCP? Option A, TCP. Option B, RSVP. Option C, UDP. Option D, DCCP. And the right answer will be option number C, UDP. Next question. Question number 119. New device ID should be dash. Option number A, universal bit ID. Option B, international ID. Option C, universal ID. Option D, globally unique identifier. And our right answer will be option D, globally unique identifiers. Next question. Question number 120. Dash is used for gaming. Option A, gamerscope. Option B, gyroscope. Option C, pyroscope. Option D, thermoscope. And our right answer will be option B, gyroscope. Question number 121 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए. Program counters stores dash. Option A, address of next instruction. Option B, address of bit. Option C, address of variable. Option D, address of S. And our right answer will be address of next instructions. Next question. The operating voltage of ATmega 328P. Option A, 1.1 volt to 5.5 volt. Option B, 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt. Option C, 0.1 volt to 0.5 volt. Option D, 0.6 volt to 5.9 volt. And our right answer will be option number B, 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt. Next question. Question number 123. Pins dash provide a reset option in 8051. Option number A, 8. Option number B, 7. Option number C, 9. Option number D, 6. And our right answer will be option C, 9. Next question. Dash interrupts are there in microcontroller. Option A, 3 interrupts. Option B, 4 interrupts. Option C, 6 interrupts. Option D, 5 interrupts. And the right answer will be option number D, 5 interrupts. Next question. An embedded system can be classified into dash types. Option A, 3. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. And our right answer will be option B, 2. Next question. Question number 126. Dash is an example of a small scale embedded system. Option A, printer. Option B, washing machine. Option C, AC. Option D, monitor. And our right answer will be option A, printer. Question number 127. Dash in as example of medium scale embedded system. Option A, ESP. Option B, DSP. Option C, central processing unit. Option D, processing unit. And right answer will be option B, DSP. Next question. Question number 128. Dash is an example of sophisticated scale of embedded system. Option A, camera. Option B, printer. Option C, IP cameras. Option D, fire alarm. And the right answer will be option C, IP cameras. Question number 129 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए. Dash is a device which converts signals from one to another. Option A, sensor. Option B, actuators. Option C, DAC. Option D, transducer. And our right answer will be option D, transducer. Question number 130 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए. If any task is not completed within its deadline, then it is called option A, hard real-time system. Option B, soft real-time. Option C, very soft system. Option D, very hard system. And our right answer will be soft real-time system. Next question. An embedded system contains number of bits processor. Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. Option D, 6. And the right answer will be option A, 3. Next question. Question number 132. Dash is considered as a hard component of ES. Option A, actuators. Option B, processors. Option C, sensors. And option D, serial bus. And the right answer will be option number B, processors. Next question. Question number 133. The pins that is in input for LCD. Option number A, PS. Option number B, BS. Options number C, RS. Option number D, SS. And the right answer will be RS pins. Next question. Question number 134. What is the full form of WSN? Option A, wireless serial network. Option B, wireless sensitive network. Option C, wireless SUN network. Option D, wireless sonar network. And the right answer will be wireless sonar network. Next question. Question number 135. Dash sensor can detect by nearby object. Option A, hypo sensor. Option B, proximity sensor. Option C, proxo sensor. Option D, inertial sensor. And the right answer will be option B, proximity sensor. क्वेश्चन नंबर 136 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, a microcontroller sometime abbreviated as dash. Option number A UM, UC and MCU. Option number B MCI, EM, UA. Option number C MCP, EM, EP. Option number D MCX, UX, YX. And the right answer will be option number A. Next question. Question number 136, dash number of IO ports in 8051 microcontroller. Option A 2 ports, option B 4 ports, option number C 3 ports, option number D 1 ports, and the right answer will be option number B 4 ports. Next question. Question number 138, dash and dash the serial type of communication interface. Option number A RS-231 and RS-423, option number B RS-232 and RS-422, option number C RS-235 and RP-422, option number D RS-232 and RE-492, and the right answer will be option number C RS-235 and RP-422. Next question. Question number 139, full form of LDR. Option A light deep sensor, option B light density sensor, option C light deal sensor, option D light dependent sensor, and the right answer will be light dependent sensor. Question number 140 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, ATmega 328R dash. Option A serial bus, option B microcontroller, option C microbus, option D microprocessor, and the right answer will be option B microcontroller. क्वेश्चन नंबर 141 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, DST11 इज डैश सेंसर. ऑप्शन ए ह्यूमिडिटी सेंसर, ऑप्शन बी AI सेंसर, ऑप्शन सी हाइड्रो सेंसर, ऑप्शन डी IR सेंसर. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट ह्यूमिडिटी सेंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 142, dash of the motion in actuators are preferred. Option A thermal, option B rotatory, option C universal, option D proximity, and the right answer will be option B rotatory. Next question. Question number 143, dash is used to capture the data from physical world in IoT device. Option number A actuators, option B embedded, option C sensor, option D universal device, and the right answer will be option number C sensors. Next question. Question number 144, dash is the size of RAM memory in 8051. Option A 121 bytes, option B 122 bytes, option C 125 bytes, option number D 128 bytes, and the right answer will be 128 bytes. Option number D is right. Question number 145 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash is use of IR sensor. Option number A liquid detection, option number B object detection, option C air detection, option D nitrogen detection. Our right answer will be option B object detection. Next question. Question number 146, most sensors have dash type of transfer function. Option A linear, option B rotatory, option C hybrid, option D post, and our right answer will be option A linear. Next question. Question number 147, dash helps in carrying out floating point calculation. Option A processor, option B coprocessor, option C compressor, option D converter. Our right answer will be option B coprocessors. Next question. Which of the following is not an actuator in IoT? Option A stepper motor, option B a fan, option C Arduino, option D an LED, and the right answer will be option C Arduino. Question number 149 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, electric motor protection has which sensor? Option A pressure sensor, option B touch sensor, option C humidity sensor, option D temperature sensor, and the right answer will be option D temperature sensor. Question number 150 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, humidity sensor related to dash. Option A DST11, option B parts per million or relative, option C hygrometer, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be option number D all of the above. So this is the last question of our third series. So we will meet soon with the fourth series of questions.
आपके लिए महत्वपूर्ण सूचना है कि आप हमारे संस्थान से ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम व यूट्यूब ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, जहां आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, वेबसाइट डिज़ाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग, ओ लेवल, ट्रिपल सी, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, IoT, टैली प्राइम, GST, C++, जावा, पाइथन, .NET एंड अदर टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट ट्रेनिंग व अन्य कोर्सेज को इंडस्ट्री बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल से पढ़ सकते हैं। आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप हमें ojditconline@gmail.com पर मेल भेज सकते हैं। आप OJD कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एवं सब्सक्राइब कर दें, जिससे आगे के वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए। कीप लर्निंग, सी यू सून इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।